Welcome back to What's in the Pot. I'm your host, Sean Grande, and today we're doing another mukbang. That's right, another mukbang with Caribbean snacks. I got all kinds of snacks, but brought to you by CallallooBox.com. You can get all these snacks in this video today at CallallooBox.com. I'll post a link below, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into it. So you know, for my last mukbang, I had a whole bunch of different snacks, a lot of different types of preserves, Trinidadian preserves. So I got a whole bunch of different Trinidadian snacks this time, and I got them all from CallallooBox.com. So the first thing we're gonna try is these, called Zoomers. Now this used to be one of my favorite snacks, chips, crisps, whatever you want to call it, growing up in Trinidad. So we'll open this up. And you know, with Trini snacks, you always got that nice color. You got a nice color. Look at that. Zoomers is supposed to be like space shapes. It's crunchy, cheesy flavored wheels. I always thought it was kind of like a space shape because the commercial had like a spaceship or something like that in it. But let's give it a try. So those not familiar with these kinds of snacks, similar to Cheetos Puffs, kind of. A little bit more on the saltier taste, a little bit more savory. But full of that good cheesy flavor. I'm gonna go through all the chips first. The next one we have is, I'm starting to eat it before I even show you. Next one we have is Cheesies. Cheesies, made by Sunshine Snacks again. This is the original crunchy cheese flavor. And with these snacks, I'm telling you, I trust their cheese flavor. Look at it there. Nice, beautiful, crunchy, cheesy. These are a winner every single time. What else we got? Moving forward, we got this, made by Charles Chocolate. It's called Choo Choos. Chocolate coated raisins. I'll show you. All chocolate coated raisins, just like glossettes. Love these. So the next thing we have is Ping Pongs. It's a cousin to Choo Choos, because this is raisins, this is peanuts. Mix them together, you got an amazing snack. But chocolate covered peanuts, simple, classic. You can't go wrong with chocolate coated peanut. Not at all. Next one is Cheers. Cheers. This is pretty much the Trinidadian Smarties. If you're in Canada and the UK, you know what Smarties are. In the States, we don't have Smarties. And when I came here, I realized Smarties isn't a thing. Smarties are more like a Rockets, what we call in Toronto. So this is Cheers. You'll see them here. Just like a Smartie, chocolate coated candy. Or candy coated chocolate. It says candy coated chocolate descender. It's exactly what it is. Little tiny candies like this. And let me break one open. And chocolate in the center. Cheers. My next one, we'll stick with Charles Chocolates. Rum and raisin. Rum and raisin. It actually doesn't contain rum. It's more the same vibe as a rum and raisin ice cream. Actually, does rum and raisin ice cream have rum? I have no idea. But yeah. It's chocolate bar like this. Kind of like a Cadbury. Break it off. See a little bit of raisin. Actually, this does taste like it has rum. What's the ingredients? Chocolate, cocoa butter, milk, skim milk, raisins, and rum. It's just 2% rum. So hey, it's got rum in it, for real. Maybe that's why I like it so much. It's got rum. Don't forget, you can always get all these snacks at CallallooBox.com. You just hit them up on social media at Callaloo Box, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. And they always have these snacks in stock. If they don't, they always have something good. And you always check out the site because they always have different things being added. Our next one is called Lunch. That's right, it's called Lunch because I guess some people might eat this for lunch. Maybe me. I mean, younger me would have eaten this for lunch for sure. Brought to you by Charles Chocolate. A cream-filled wafer covered in caramel, crisp rice, and crunchy peanuts and milk chocolate. Kind of like a Mr. Big. If you're familiar with Mr. Big, kind of like that. This is what it looks like. This is it here. Let's break off a piece. You can see the chocolate, the rice, that flavor. Give it a try. I love this one because you get that little Rice crispy flavor with that creaminess and the chocolate. It's delicious. So if you've never had this lunch, you definitely gotta check them out. Go grab yourself one of these. This is a Cocoa Crisp. Cocoa Crisp, very similar to the other one that we just had. Milk chocolate with tender coconut and crisp rice. So you have, instead of taking out some of the peanutty flavor, you're adding chocolate with coconut and the crisp, Rice crispy kind of treats that they put in there. And this is what it looks like. And this is the inside. You can see that coconut, kind of like a Bounty or Almond Joy, but you get that coconut flavor, coconut, and then the center there. And me personally, I like these coconut kind of chocolates. There's lots of flavor, there's lots of taste. Who doesn't like coconut? If you don't like coconut, I don't know, we can't be friends. And this is probably the most amount of chocolate I've eaten in months, probably since the last video we did. This is my favorite. This with a cup of coffee is the best thing. This is a chocolate digestive, and you're like, a digestive? It's a nice digestive cookie covered in chocolate like this. This is one of my favorites. You get this with a hot cup of tea, coffee, Milo, whatever you want. Something nice and hot. You drink that and you eat one of these, maybe a couple of these. Hands down, the best. Oh, it was so good. I'm just gonna finish it. That chocolate digestive. It's a good thing they sent me like 4 or 5 of these, so these are gonna be done. Moving on to more chocolates. I think this was more like a chocolate mukbang. That's what I should call this video. We got a Tiki Gold. This is coconut crisp, very similar to the Cocoa Crisp. And this is chocolate bolt. So chocolate bolt is chocolate coated wafer with chocolate cream filling. That's what we have here, chocolate bolt. Pick it apart. Beautiful wafer with all that beautiful filling. Who doesn't like a good wafer? A chocolate covered wafer too. What I like about it, the creaminess of the chocolate is nice and smooth and milky. That's how you know with certain chocolate bars is when the milkiness, you taste that milkiness, it's like you just had a glass of milk while you're eating the chocolate. It's so nice and creamy. So it's the coconut crisp, not to be confused with Cocoa Crisp, kind of the same thing. This is a chocolate coated wafer with coconut cream filling. I guess we like coconut in the Caribbean, well in Trinidad. But it looks very much the same, but we got a coconut filling this time. Lots of coconut. Lots of coconut flavor. It's more of like a coconut cream versus this one was like straight up coconut in the filling. Like that. This one is more of like a cream, like a creamy coconut. And it tastes that creaminess. What else do we have? There's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of snacks I got here. We got Devon coconut creams, something else. Devon chocolate creams. And Devon bourbon creams. I'm gonna go with the bourbon creams. Actually, you know what? For the sake of YouTube, I'm gonna try one of each. Let me cut these with the scissors because it'll be a lot easier. There we go. This is the coconut cream. Nice little fancy shape on there. Break it in half, show you. Got that coconut creamy goodness going on. And this is just classic coconut cream filled biscuit. So kind of like the cream that you got in the Tiki Gold, filled inside a biscuit, minus the chocolate. If you're enjoying the mukbangs from What's in the Pot, let me know what else I can mukbang. I did wings, I've done snacks. I don't know, maybe I should try something different. Do some more mukbangs. So this is the cream, chocolate cream cookies, chocolate cream filling biscuits. See there, all that chocolate filled in. So the biscuit is that classic kind of Oreo, kind of any kind of cream filled biscuit flavor. But with this, you're getting a little bit more of a richer chocolate. Because I will say, a lot of the Caribbean snacks, there isn't as much preservatives or additives as some of the ones we might get in Canada, the States, or in the UK. So, which is a good thing. Now, here we go. This is what we're talking about. These are the bourbon biscuits. This is the Devon bourbon creams. Cream or chocolate cream filled chocolate biscuits. So, it's double chocolate. So, we got that. Bourbon. Chocolate on the inside. This one is really good. This one is, out of the three, this one's my favorite. Bourbon creams. All right, I think we're almost done. What do we have? So we got this. If you grew up in Trinidad, you might get these sold individually. It's called Bobby's. Or Bobby. We like put an S on everything in Trinidad. But it's called Bobby. These are chocolate covered peanuts. Yeah, that's all it is really. So, individual packaging. Some places, you know, little convenience stores or parlors, we call them in Trinidad, they sell them individually. So this is what it is. Think of this chocolate covered peanut, but a lot bigger. I don't know what kind of peanuts they use, but it's a lot bigger. So that's Bobby. I did Bigfoot before, but Callaloo Box recently got my favorite type of Bigfoot. Spicy. What is it here? Bigfoot, just like a cheese ball, cheese, corn curls, Cheetos, puffs. But spicy. Giant sized cheese snack. A little bit of spice. So this, I would say, on par with Flaming Hot Cheetos with more flavor. It's a Bigfoot, but more flavor than you would get from Flaming Hot Cheetos. A lot more flavor. I'm gonna save the, some people might say this is a boring snack, but I love this. I love this. Ovaltine biscuits. Comes in a pack like this, you get 4 mini snacks. Yo, this, my favorite. As I was saying about the Devon Digestibles, you gotta have this with some tea or coffee. And they make these packaging childproof because I can't open it. There we go. Ovaltine. If you never had Ovaltine, go to the store and buy some. Drink it. It's chocolate milk. Like quick, kind of, a little bit more on the healthier side. But Ovaltine biscuits, it's that flavor in a biscuit. I believe, depending on where you are, sometimes you might get them at Walmart in the Caribbean section, maybe even Publix in the Caribbean section. So definitely gotta try these. Not too sweet, not too strong. It's a taste of Ovaltine in a biscuit. That's what it pretty much is. And that's our Caribbean snack section. All these snacks are available at CallallooBox.com. Let's check out the snack section. I'm gonna post a link in the description below so you can go ahead and get your snack on. They ship to Canada, they ship to UK. So if you have questions, you can always ask me, but you always just reach out to them on Instagram, at Callaloo Box on Instagram. Best customer service, hands down. So shout out to them. Shout out to Callaloo Box. Thank you very much for sending me these wonderful items so I can review for everyone. My blood sugar probably just went up, but it's all good because it's for everyone. On YouTube, you know what it is, it's your boy Sean Grande. It's What's in the Pot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we might have some giveaways coming up real soon because I just hit 3,000 subscribers. So thanks to everyone who has helped me reach that mark. Almost at 2,000 on YouTube, on Instagram. So we growing. We got some big announcements, some big collaborations coming out real soon. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's your boy Sean Grande. Peace. It's What's in the Pot.